Friedlander has been honing his vocal talents with Miss Heather since 2010. Steve's musical journey with the Conservatory of the Ozarks has included numerous studio recitals, master classes, competitions, community outreach performances, and even local television appearances. Today, Steve will be joined by the Conservatory of the Ozarks Christmas Choir and Dr. Chessman on the harp for a performance of Silver Bell.